Which one do you like? Want this one or this one? You want this? Okay, let's do it. So let's do your makeup. So, make it some wise for a bit. Maybe wipe your
29
face.
years old pa lang, lisensyadong teacher. At eto naging
Close
problema
your
mga
eyes
kababayan.
because
Nagkaroon daw siya
your
ng
eyes are
depression.
gonna get some
Bagamat hindi pa kumpleto lahat
white
impormasyon.
makeup. So you can be really careful.
Dahil yung ating
Okay, let me get
kapatid
the powder.
depresyon
Where's that?
ay inalapit po mismo
There it is.
sa atin ng ating butihing Vice Mayor, si Vice Mayor Tam Mamarel. Vice Mayor, maraming salamat. Nakapag-guest naman yung video nito. Salamat po. At isa kami sa naisip mong lapitan.
You look great.
Isa kami sa
Okay, let's do your brush. I think your blush. I'm so sorry if I said brush.
Dito po ba yung teacher na na-depress? Saan po? Ayun. Pwede kami tumuloy na eh. Magandang umaga po na eh. Pakilala lang po ako. Ako po si Daddy Frankie.
Oh,
Kumusta po
you look
kayo?
great. You don't know that? I'm so sorry.
Saan sila?
We
Nasaan
need
po yung
this
lima?
kind of lotion
Nasaan po
in
sila
your
na?
face so it can be hydrated.
Pang-anim po. Tama po ba yung nabalitaan namin na lisensyadong teacher po yung anak nyo? Gaano na po katagal na nagkasakit?
You look great. You slay. Okay, bye. Thank you for coming.